All right, y'all, this is the last production run for our first super large batch of bricks. It's gonna go live this week. I got the crew behind me. This is the regulars, this is the A-team. So I thought it'd be cool if I let them speak just for a smidgen on what they've done over the past month. We've literally been in here every single week this month pumping out bricks. So here's the team, meet the team. They're my cousins, my friends. I love them.
Hey guys, it's Corey. Loved making bricks for y'all. Remember, there's only one thing better than making keto brick. That's eating keto brick. Keep on, y'all.
I've really enjoyed getting to know everybody, and it's been a great experience, and everything's really been made with love.
Hey guys, it's Lance's cousin, so we couldn't have done this without all the teamwork, so a big thanks to every single one.
Alright guys, you have met our team. It has been an awesome experience. We love all of you guys. I hope every single one of you guys that gets a brick realizes how much heart and soul goes into this and how much we truly love exactly what we do. And it's fun. It's fun having this group of people here with us, just trying to make a difference. So that's all. Robert?
I got some closing thoughts coming soon, but I'm gonna go grab my brick to eat it during my closing thoughts, so hold that thought. Okay, y'all, final clip of this vlog, which is not really even much of a vlog, but a little bit of an informative clip. So our goal was to make 5,600 bricks this month. Prior to this, our largest batch was 1,350. We made 5,814 or something like that, which was very good, especially since that one week we couldn't make any because we were missing ingredients. So, we're very pleased with that. We're very excited to launch these out and kind of see what our saturation point is, if they sell out in 6 minutes like the last batch, or if we kind of figure out what our supply and demand is. That's the whole purpose of us stockpiling them right now. We're trying to figure out what our saturation point is. Going forward, we're gonna work on scaling things up and kind of doing a more regular release instead of just once a month, probably. So we're gonna keep y'all informed on what we wind up doing there. But yeah, these are the bricks. In case you haven't seen them before, just watch one of the previous videos about the production and what they are and the origination, yada yada. I'm excited about this, y'all. I'm excited about this. This is 5 times larger than our biggest launch. We have a lot of variables going on. We're scaling up, we're moving as quickly as we can. I'm a little nervous about the heat. We're gonna be launching our biggest batch in the hottest month of the year. You worried about that?
I am a little bit concerned just because we don't know, when people are gonna take their lunch break with the bricks in the vehicle and what, like the nail people. Or I don't know. You just never know what the variables are with that, and it does make me a little bit nervous because...
Yeah, we don't want people getting keto blobs. We want people getting keto bricks. But we have shipped them out to Florida and Texas. And
they've done totally fine. I think we've actually only had 3 orders ever melt.
Yeah,
ever.
We've only, of the thousands of ones that we've shipped so far, we've only had a handful say that theirs was a little soft. So I mean, it's pretty solid. I'm pretty pleased with it. And I've talked to the shipping people, and they say that there's not actually that much time in the truck, just when they're making the deliveries to the house specifically. So don't let it sit in your mailbox or anything, obviously. But yeah, I think it's gonna hold up good. Let us know in the comments, in the feedback, in the Instagram post, anything tag us with your brick or with your blob, whichever. If you get a blob, just pop it in the fridge or the freezer, let it come back to room temp. Yeah. We're excited about it. Thanks for everything. This whole endeavor could not be possible without y'all. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. This was never made to even be a business in the first place. It was just me making something for myself and y'all wanting it, so we just made it. Any last words?
I'm just really excited. We just feel super blessed to be able to do this, and it's been a really long month, and it's been a lot of long days. You can go ahead and eat it. It's been a lot of long days in the kitchen and a lot of ordering and a lot of just mishaps with the ordering and all of this and that. It's just been a really long month, and I'm so glad to see it come together. We made, even more than we had planned to, and I don't know, I'm super excited. We're just super blessed to be able to provide this, and yeah, it's just really cool.
All right, y'all, quick little inside information. These bricks are gonna drop at noon That's 12 p.m.
Whoa.
Central Standard Time on Wednesday,
The
the 25th of July. This video is going to go live tomorrow on Tuesday. So the bricks will launch tomorrow when you see them. Again, that's the 25th, the Wednesday.
We haven't
at
told
noon.
anybody the exact time, have
I
we?
know.
No, we haven't. So if you're watching this,
Be refreshing
keep
your
it to
screen.
yourself.
Keto Brick, KetoBrick.com is where you get your bricks. Good?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna eat my brick. We love y'all. Take care. Toodaloo. Peace. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this.